For I am a man placed under authority, having soldiers under me. And I say to one, go, and he goes. And I say to another, come, and he comes. And to my servant, do this, and he does it. He says, I know you're the same. You just have to speak the word, and it's going to be done. You can speak the word with authority because you are under authority. And so within the earthly life of Jesus, we find that there's a secret, commanding, continuous personal guidance which shaped his every decision. And so as a result of this, the Son's will, his words, his thoughts, his actions were continually submitted to the Father's will, words, thoughts, and actions. And again, it's particularly clear in John's Gospel. And it's surprising, isn't it, when you know that John's Gospel is the Gospel that characteristically presents Jesus Christ as the Son of God in all its full implications for his divinity. And yet, again, in John's Gospel, we find it stressed again and again. For example, John 5, verses 19 to 20, how that Jesus is in submission to the Father. Then Jesus answered and said to them, most assuredly, I say to you, the Son can do nothing of himself, but what he sees the Father do. For whatever he does, the Son also does in like manner. For the Father loves the Son and shows him all things that he himself does, and will show him greater things than these, that you may marvel. And so, again, we have here the balance between Jesus being man and being God. He, as man, is in submission, of course, to the Father, but as Son, that submission is taken to a whole new level, because the Father loves the Son and shows the Son everything that he does. And you need to ask the question, does this mean the Son, therefore, is inferior to the Father? Not at all. Because if the Father shows the Son everything that he does, that's an unlimited source of power and authority and dominion. And there is this sense in which the Father and the Son are sharing together in this co-equal fashion. Now, this relationship in which the Son is in submission to the Father is not a dry theological principle. It's a living description of the Son's daily submitted life. We see too from the Scriptures that the Father is the future of the Son's mission, in the double sense. First of all, that the completed work of the Son is submitted to the Father for his verdict. On the cross, Jesus says, it is finished. I commit my hands into your spirit. Now it's over to you, Father. I want to hear your verdict. And of course, the verdict of the Father was, Son, rise. The Father accepted the work of the Son.